Hi, it's Christy at the Bureau. Let's take a look at the national weather forecast for tomorrow, Wednesday the 16th of October. Now, starting with our weather map, we have this low pressure system cradled by a high out in the Tasman Sea, and that's drawing warm, moist, unstable air down over eastern Australia and giving us a shower and thunderstorm outbreak over southeastern Australia, which will last for a couple of days. And these showers and thunderstorms could produce damaging wind gusts, large hail, and even heavy rain at times. So if you want more information about this weather system, make sure you check out our other severe weather video also posted today. But elsewhere we have a cold front just sliding south of Tasmania, and also over in the west a cold front and a developing low pressure system over inland parts of Western Australia, and that's going to give us widespread showers and thunderstorms over southern and southwestern parts, also damaging wind gusts around this system and high to extreme fire danger. So a lot happening over in the west, and we'll talk about that later in the video. But starting with Queensland, we have a few showers along the east coast, maybe a couple of showers or thunderstorms creeping over the border. The thunderstorms most likely to stay inland of the coast. Heat building over in the west up to 41 degrees for Birdsville and high fire danger through southwestern districts. Closer to average temperatures near the coast, Brisbane 25 with a possible shower. In New South Wales, those showers and thunderstorms particularly on and inland of the ranges, with potential for severe storms, again producing damaging wind gusts, large hail, and maybe even some locally heavy rainfall. Close to the coast, less likely to see thunderstorms, but still seeing showers, particularly through central and northern parts of the coast. Sydney, a shower or two, top of 21. Canberra, also a shower or two, top of 19. Down in Victoria, also seeing those showers and thunderstorms, possibly severe, particularly through central and western parts. It'll be a hot day with temperatures above average, up as high as 10 degrees above average through parts of the northwest. Melbourne up to 23 degrees with a shower or two and the chance of a thunderstorm. Down in Tasmania, a few showers developing through the west and south as this cold front approaches. Otherwise, we're seeing warm northerly winds develop. Hobart heading for a top of 21 degrees and just the chance of a shower in the afternoon or evening. South Australia, maybe a couple of showers or thunderstorms developing over eastern parts in the afternoon that could produce some damaging wind gusts. Also a couple of showers perhaps creeping over the border into the southwest. Otherwise, looking at a hot day with temperatures 6 to 10 degrees above average and continuing high fire danger through the northeast pastoral. Adelaide heading for a top of 29 degrees and mostly sunny. Over in the west though, we do have showers and thunderstorms developing across southern and southwestern parts due to this approaching cold front and also developing low pressure system and trough. Now around these systems we do see a lot of wind, particularly inland and also near the coast. So that does give us the risk of damaging winds through inland parts and also in association with any thunderstorms in the south. Also, we have some temperatures closer to average or below average near the coast as the cooler air pushes in, but inland we're seeing hot to very hot conditions, and that combined with those damaging winds is giving us high fire danger across much of the state and extreme fire danger through parts of the eastern Gascoyne, western interior and northern goldfields. Perth heading for a top of 22 degrees with a shower or two, most likely in the afternoon or evening, and the chance of a thunderstorm. Through the north, continuing a story of heat, temperatures again up to 10 degrees above average through central Australia. A couple of showers or thunderstorms possible about the western top end and the northern Kimberley. And we're seeing high fire danger through the Barclay, the eastern Simpson and some parts of the Kimberley coast. Darwin 34 degrees with a shower or two and a possible morning storm. Alice Springs up to 40 and partly cloudy. And that's it for our weather update. Make sure you stay up to date with the forecasts and warnings for your location on the Bureau's website and our app, and we'll see you again tomorrow.